today we are showing you Rima DVS Plus operation. This model is equipped with auto door, which is a non-touch technology. In this video you're going to see the rack, that how you load the bed pans and urine bottles and kidney dishes. We also have function buttons here that you can select the cycle. There is also a door sensor which will open or close the door by waving your hand in front of it. We have a eHMI here which shows the temperature of the chamber in 3 points, and you can also see the date and the cycle progress. Up here we also have 3 main cycles which we'll show you in a minute how to operate one of them. At the bottom we also have a door closing and opening pedal which works the same as the sensor, but it's just we'll be using a foot. So once you've loaded the bed pans and urine bottles into the rack, you have 2 options. You can either use the pedal or you can hold your hand in front of the door sensor. As you can see, the door will close. Same thing, if I want to open or close the door, I'll use the foot pedal and it has the same process. Now if I want to select the cycle, I have 2 options. I can either wave my hand in front of each of these cycles, which we have normal, urine bottle and bedpan, and then we have the intensive cycle. They have different cycle time for different usage and based on the soil level of the items. So for example, I've loaded the items and I want to start the cycle. I'll just hold my hand in front of this symbol for a few seconds, and then you can see the door will automatically shut, and then you can see the P1 will show on the screen, and every stages of the wash cycle will be shown in this eHMI. At this stage it is doing a cold rinse and so on. It will go to disinfection, air cooling, and once the cycle is finished, the door will automatically open around 15 degrees. Once you're ready to take the items out, you just hold your hand in front of the door sensor again. Obviously it doesn't work now because it's mid-cycle, and then the door fully opens. As mentioned, this is non-touch technology. You don't need to touch the screen or anywhere in the machine except the items that you want to wash. But for any reason that you don't want to use the touch technology, each of these symbols will work as a push button. So as soon as you press any of these cycles, the cycle will start and it will go through the various phases. At the top here you also have an e-stop in case of any malfunction with the machine. You can automatically stop the machine, and once it's stopped, this display will show you the actions that are needed to be taken to address that issue. The machine will go through various phases. Once the cycle is finished, it is going into hot rinsing now. You can see the temperature on 3 levels of the machine. 2 are at the top, right and left hand corner, and then there is 1 at the bottom to make sure we get that level of disinfection that we want throughout the whole chamber. The machine is also equipped with automatic detergent dispenser, so you just have to put the suction tube into the bottle and it will automatically goes into the machine. In case the bottle has run out and you forgot to change the bottle, the machine also equipped with flow meter, so it will come up with an alarm saying that the machine hasn't detected any liquid going through the tubes, so it will remind you to change the chemical bottle. So as you can see, the machine is going through the disinfection cycle. DVS Plus has inbuilt steam generator. It generates its own steam. It doesn't need any external steam generator. These temperatures will eventually go up slowly, and once it hits to a level of AO value that you want, it will stop the disinfection. Here you have the cycle progress bar. You can see it's showing the disinfection cycle is finished. The machine is now going through the cooling phase. It is equipped with a cooling fan with HEPA filter, which helps to dry the items that are washed and disinfected, to cool them down so it's safer for your operators to handle them. DVS Plus offers this option. First, it will benefit you from the safety point of view, also from the cleaning aspect of it. It will make sure the items come out drier than other machines. Once the cooling phase finishes, you will see the door open, and it will tell the operator to take the objects out. So now the cycle is ended. It will come up with the audible alarm. Once the door is open, all the steam will come out, and now you hold your hand in front of the sensor and the door opens. And then you can take your items out, and this is it.